So now after our search form, what we're going to do, I'm going to create a few new lines here so that we can see it a little bit better. Copy the name of the records variable and we check. If isn't empty records, then we'll display something else. We'll display the message informing us that there are no records available at the moment. So the message will simply be in the paragraph tag. There are no records available. Okay, so if it isn't empty, what's going to happen is we're going to create the for each loop. So for each records as row. Okay, and now before the for each also, we need to create a new variable and assign the value 1 to it. So we have for each, and before closing this for each loop, we are actually, we're not yet. We're going to first check, we're going to put it on the new line, this one as well, do it like this. And now we'll do image dir equals ds images thumbnail underscore dir for directory ds, and now row image. So this is image directory together with the image. Then we'll have image path, and it's going to be image thumbnail path. Okay, now we're checking if the file exists. So if is file image path, and this is when we're actually displaying the image. We're adding another curly brace here, and before both of them we simply put I++ to increment the value of the I variable. So if the file exists, then what we do, we display div with a class image underscore wrapper, and after this we type php echo if I %5, if there's remaining 0, then we add class called last to it, otherwise we echo nothing. That means if the image is 5th, 10th, 15th, and so on, the class last will be added to this div with the class image wrapper. And what this class does, it simply removes the margin from a right of this div, which in other cases applies to all of these divs, to obviously avoid any problems with the margin on the right hand side, expanding the layout and so on. So this is our div. Now we need to create the closing one, obviously, and I'm going to close this browser on the left so we can see things a little bit better. Now we're creating the href with page equals tag and, so ampersand, id equals, and now php echo row id. So that's our a tag and a closing one. Then inside of this one we have image src for source, echo image underscore there. Then we have width, and this will be represented by our constant images thumbnail width. Then we have height, and again echo images thumbnail height, semicolon closing, php tag. After height we have alt tag, and this one is represented by simply row caption. And then we can close the image tag. If we scroll up a little bit, we will have another a tag after this one, which is ahref with a hash in it, class remove image rel will be the ID of the record, so echo row ID, and then we close this one, remove as the label between the opening and closing. I'm going to put this label here like this, and that's it. So if we save the file, go back to our browser, click on list of images, you can see the image which we've uploaded recently is here. If we click on the image, it takes us to the tag page, passing also the ID of the specific image. That's why we can see the right one. So we can again add more tags and so on. So if we go back to the list of images, if we try to search for Amanda, it shows us the image. If we do Amanda's, it should show us the message, and it does. Then sticky form fields on the form field also works, so that's all good. If we search again, nothing's here. That's cool. So let's move to the next video when we start actually creating the pagination class. So we're going to create this bar here with first, previous, next, and last buttons.